Disbelief, grief, loneliness. These are the hallmarks of a broken heart. I'm Florence Williams. I'm a science journalist, and I've come to learn a few things about heartbreak. When it happened to me after my marriage fell apart, I felt like I'd been axed in the heart, set adrift in an ocean, loosed in a terrifying wood. I felt like my body had been plugged into an electrical socket. Why was this happening, and how could I get better? Being heartbroken is one of the hidden landmines of human existence. That's because feeling alone and rejected literally changes our cells and our immune systems. We sleep terribly. Our digestion changes. Pain feels more painful. Prairie voles who are separated from their mates produce more stress hormones and act more afraid of their environment. But hey, when those voles can hang out with their friends or a new mate, they feel better. Heartbreak can open us humans up to become more empathetic and more open to new experiences. I wanted that, so I studied how to get there. Here's what I learned. First, we need to calm our nervous systems. And then we need to connect to the wider world. Beauty helps. And then we can create a deeper story of where we've been and who we are. We can learn that no matter how much it hurts, we all hurt in similar ways, if not always at the same time. And we know better how to help each other.